How you doing, everybody? Marco Chiappetta for Hot Hardware here with Lenovo. Joey's going to show us some really cool new laptops. Joey, why don't you take it away?
Very cool. So right now we're looking at a couple Lenovo Legion laptops. So Legion's our gaming brand. We're looking at the 7, 7i, and the Slim 7 and 7i. So the 7 is our most premium offering, featuring a full CNC aluminum body, 16-inch WQXGA displays with 500 nits of brightness, Dolby Vision, loaded with the most powerful chips we can get. So we're looking at a 3080 Ti in the Intel and a 6850 MXT in the AMD system, paired with a 6900HX in the AMD. And on the Intel, we're looking at an i9HX. We have per key RGB and tons of airflow via vents in the keyboard and next to the fingerprint reader power button, as well as on the bottom and the sides.
Gotcha. So there's vents under the keys and along the top, and we see the internals over here. So fans pulling in from the bottom and the top, it looks like, right?
Yes, pushing the air out here and here, here and here. The fans have gotten bigger. They have more blades on them. The blades are thinner, and the vapor chamber has gotten a bit bigger.
Gotcha. Nice big battery too, right?
Yes, that's a 99.9 watt-hour battery, the biggest battery allowable by the TSA to fly with.
Gotcha. And removable memory on that guy too, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let's take a look at the Slim next.
So looking at the Slim, this is the ultra-mobile gaming system we offer. So it's a little less powerful in the chipset, but you still get some great performance as well as more mobility. So we're looking at a lot of the same features of the airflow via the keyboard and the vents next to the power button, as well as on the bottom and the sides. This year on the Slim, we have a 16-inch screen as opposed to the 15-inch. This allows 16 by 10, some more productivity anywhere you are. We have a SD card, full-size SD card reader on the side, so this might be great for content creators that need the power of a 3070 or a AMD Radeon RX 6800S on the go.
Very cool.
Okay, so we're looking at some Lenovo Slim systems. Slim are our premium clamshell offering. So right now we have the Slim 7i Carbon. This is the most mobile system you will get out of the Slim line. It features a 13.3-inch, 2.5K, 90 Hz LCD screen with Dolby Vision. It is just over 2 pounds, so it's very, very light, portable. It features a carbon fiber protected top cover for extra durability, and it comes in a few colors. Right now we're looking at cloud gray, but it's also available in a storm gray and a moon white.
Very cool. Now these guys are powered by Intel 12th Gen, correct?
Yes, this is up to i7 P series in the Slim 7i Carbon.
Very cool. And then we have this guy here.
This is the Slim 9i 14. So this is our most premium system, featuring comfort edge rounded designs with a jewel design finish and a 3D glass top cover.
Nice.
These feature the same up to 12th gen Intel i7 processors, P series. On the display front, we're looking at up to a 14-inch 4K OLED with 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, 16 by 10 touchscreen.
Nice. That's a really good looking machine. And we got one more over here.
Yes. We have the Slim 7 Pro X and the Slim 7i Pro X. So we have an AMD chipset in the CPU in one, paired with up to an RTX 3050, and on the other end we have 12th gen Core i7 H series processors paired with 3050. So this is a 14.5-inch 3K 16 by 10 display. Great for content creation, paired with the 3050. And this is, I find interesting because it's the RTX 3050 paired with H series processors in a 14-inch laptop. So this is some of the most power you can get in the smallest package.
So nice, productivity machine with the ability to do some gaming too.
Yes.
Awesome. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.